This was me last year. Waited for 5 good months to get this. Hey guys, look what I received today. I am so excited. You guys, I've been planning to film this video for 5 months now, and I was waiting for my AdSense pin to arrive, and at a point I decided to just forget it and film this video anyways. But guess what happened? This afternoon I just got this. I'm so excited. I waited for 5 good months to get this, and it finally came. So I'm going to tell you guys everything about my monetization, how long it took, the review process, every single detail you need to know. So first of all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new and you're watching me for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share this video, and leave a comment below. It helps me a lot. I'm officially monetized on YouTube, and today I'll be telling you guys the review process, how long it took, the requirements, and every single thing you need to know about YouTube monetization in 2020. The minimum requirement for monetization on YouTube is 4,000 public watch hours, that's 240,000 minutes, and 1,000 subscribers. And the 4,000 hours has to be in 1 year. I started YouTube on January 2019 and I got monetized January 2020. So they just counted how many watch hours I got from January 2019 to January of 2020, and that's it. So if you start YouTube January and hit the 4,000 hours in February, they're going to count from February, the year you started, to February instead of from January to February. So I hope you guys understand that. Next requirement is YouTube partnership program has to be available in your country as well. And the next thing you need to have is AdSense account, a linked AdSense account as well. So if you're already a blogger and maybe you do blogging and you already have an AdSense account, you don't need to do a new one. You just have to link AdSense accounts to your YouTube channel. I started my YouTube channel in January 2019. I posted my first video, and getting my first 100 and 200 subscribers was not a big problem for me, but it took me roughly 6 months to hit 1,000 subscribers, and it took me 1 year to get monetized. I got my complete 4,000 hours in January 2020. So it took me 1 year to get monetized, which is fair enough. I know for some people it's faster, while for some people it takes them about 2 to 3 years or less than 1 year, or it takes them about 4 years to get monetized. But for me to get it in 1 year, I think that's quite fair, and I'm not even mad about it. After hitting the requirements for monetization, my channel finally went into review on the 26th of January, and on the 27th of January, I can remember very well, by 11 p.m. I was approved. I got the message saying that my channel was approved for monetization. You guys, I jumped on my bed out of excitement. I was so happy because I had couple of videos with copyright claims on my channel, and I was thinking it was going to take a lot of time due to the copyright claims before I get monetized. And most of my fellow YouTubers, Nigerian YouTubers, were like saying that it took them about a month or 2, 3 months. I even had someone saying 5 months before they got reviewed. So I was so scared. And funny enough, I got approved in 24 hours, like less than 24 hours. So that was the wow moment for me. I was so excited. Ever since then, I applied to get my Google AdSense pin, and it was sent on the 14th of April. And I waited and waited for it, and I never saw it. I had to go to the post office around June to check if it has arrived, and due to the COVID, they said they've not seen anything. So I forgot it a little bit. I was planning to go and apply again, and today someone just knocked on my door, and that was it. I got my AdSense pin. So I've not gotten my first paycheck yet, but I'm going to get it very soon. And if you guys would like me to make a video on my first paycheck, let me know in the comments section. So when I got monetized, I had a total of 4.3k watch hours, and I had about 1,500 subscribers when I got monetized, and my channel had about 145,000 views as at then when I got monetized. So many people blow up on YouTube very fast, and so many people, it takes them years and years and years to blow up on YouTube. So I just think this is something that you have to be very patient with. In case you started your channel and it looks like you're not growing, it looks like you're not getting views, your watch hours are crawling and they're not increasing, I just think you should have a lot of patience with YouTube. So with that being said, to make your monetization process faster, I advise that once you start your channel, try to link your AdSense account, or try to create an AdSense account. If you don't have any, try to create it when you start your channel, because if you don't do that and you reach the requirements, it's going to take you quite a while to verify your AdSense account. After getting monetized, the next thing YouTube will require from you is to verify your identity, where you have to get like maybe your international passport, your national ID card, or whatever. I used my voter's card to do my own. And then after that, they will go ahead to request for address verification to know if you're a human being or not. The whole verification process is quite long. Next thing is to verify your address, and after verifying your address, you'll be asked for your bank details, where they will send a couple of cents to your account, and then you will have to verify it before they send your money. And remember, you have to hit the minimum threshold of $100 to be able to get your payment. And for you to get your 1,000 subscribers fast, it is not that hard. I wish I knew what I knew today when I started my channel. I think I would have hit my 1,000 subscribers quite faster. Like I would have hit the 1,000 subscribers faster than I did. But for you to get 1,000 subscribers fast, I think you should try to encourage your viewers to subscribe to your channel. Whenever you make a video, try to encourage them at the beginning of the video and also at the end of the video to subscribe to your channel, to like your videos. And also the second thing you have to do in order to ensure that you get your 4,000 hours fast, guys, ignore the background noise. So the next thing you have to do in order to ensure that you get your 4,000 hours fast is to make sure you make longer videos. Make longer videos. If possible, make videos that are as long as 10 minutes, 8 minutes. I realized that YouTube tends to favor contents that are longer. They tend to favor videos that are at least longer, like 8 minutes, 10 minutes long videos. So if you're making videos of 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 1 minute, it's going to take you a long time to get your 4,000 watch hours. Let's say, for example, if you make a video that is about 8 minutes long, if all your videos are about 8 minutes long, you're going to need about 30,000 views to get 240,000 watch minutes, and that's if people are watching the 8 minutes long videos from the beginning to the end, which is quite impossible. I don't think everybody watches videos from beginning to the end, or majority may watch like half of the video. But for an 8 minutes long video, you need about 30,000 views to get 240,000 watch minutes. Then if you make videos that are about 10 minutes long, for a 10 minutes long video, you need about 24,000 views to get 240,000 watch hours. So imagine you make videos and one of your videos tend to blow up or take off, you're going to hit that 4,000 watch hours faster. And this is something I didn't know when I started. I was making short videos, 2 minutes long videos, 3 minutes videos, and it was not even helping matters for me at all. So as you can see, it took me just 1 year to get monetized on YouTube, and it took me 6 months to get my 1,000 subscribers, and I didn't even have any huge following on Instagram or any other platform. I just did it from scratch on my own. So for an introvert like me who is shy to talk in front of a camera, it was quite fast for me. And if you're watching this video and you've not started your channel yet, I don't think you should wait any longer. Just start, because this was me last year. Like, this was me 1 year ago, and this is me right now. When I started my channel, it took me 1 year. It took me about 11 months for me to start talking in front of a camera, and I knew how hard it was for me to talk. And now I feel like I'm just talking. I don't even feel like I don't feel awkward. I feel more confident and I feel more strong. So I'm so happy. I am so excited. I wouldn't have done it without you guys. Thank you so much for watching all my videos. Thank you guys so much for all your support. I truly appreciate that. And don't skip the ads. Any ads you see on this video, kindly watch it for me and watch it to the end. It will take just few seconds for you to watch them. And also like this video. It helps me a lot. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.